Hey guys, welcome back to the session.
Okay, next problem is find the HCF of 196 and 38,220. We have to divide this number with 196. That is 38,220 with 196. That is 196 ones are 196. Now we have to find out the difference here. 12 minus 6 is 6. And here the remaining is what here? 7. That is 17 minus 9 equals to 8. And here the remaining is what? 2. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. 186. This is less than 196. That's why we have to take out the next number, that is 2. 1862. Now we have to divide 1862 with 196. That is 196. 9s are how much? Once check. 9 6 are 54. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 5 equals to 86. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 8 17. That is 196. 9s are 1764. Now we have to subtract these two. That is 12 minus 4 equals to 8. And here the remaining is 7. That is 17 minus 6 is equals to what? 9. Now this is less than 196. That's why we have to take out the next one. Here we are having what? One more value? 0. 980. That is we have to divide 980 with 196. That is 196. 5s are how much? 5 6 are 30. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 3 equals to 48. Now 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 4 9. 980. Now the remainder is what? 0. That is 196 into 195 equals to 38,220. Okay. Then how you write this in Euclid division algorithm? That is 38,220 is equals to what? 196 into, here the quotient is what? 195. The remainder is what? 0. That means here 196 is what? HCF. 196 is the HCF of 196 and 38,220. Take a screenshot if you want.
Start.
Okay, next one is here use division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. That is, to prove this one here, let a be an odd positive integer a be an odd positive integer. By using this a, we have to apply the division algorithm. Apply division algorithm. With a and b value is what here? Here odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4, 5. No, that's why here we are taking this 6 as b. b equals to 6. Okay, what is our division algorithm? A equals to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equals to r is less than b. That is here a value is as it is a only, and b value is what? 6. That is 6q plus r, where 0 is less than or equals to r is less than b. r is less than, b value is what? 6. Okay, b value is 6. That means r values are what? Less than 6 and including 0. That is, the possible values of r are The possible values of R is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 because it is less than 6 and this is including 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now coming to the point here. A equals to what? 6 cube plus R. By using these reminders, what is our A here? A is in the form of first one 6 cube plus R, that is 6 cube plus R value is what? 0. Okay, 6 cube plus 0. Next one is what? 1, that is 6 cube plus R value is 1. Next in the same way 6 cube plus 2. Next one is 6 cube plus 3. Next one is 6 cube plus 4. And last one is what? 6 cube plus 5. But what is our A here? A be an odd positive integer. But here A values are, we are getting 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 4, 6 cube plus 5. Here A be an odd positive integer. What are the A values here? 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 4, 6 cube plus 5. Here what are the odd numbers? Odd numbers are what? 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5. That is A can't be 6 cube and 6 cube plus 2 and 6 cube plus 4. A cannot be 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 4. That's why A is in the form of what? A is what? 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Once again listen. Let A be an odd positive integer. We are applying the division algorithm with A and B equals to 6. That is A equals to B cube plus R, where 0 is less than or equals to R is less than B. Our values are what? A is A only and in B place value is 6. 6 cube plus R, where 0 is less than or equals to R is less than B value is 6. That means here R is in between what? Including 0 and less than 6. That is the possible values of R are what here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is A is in the form of what here? 6 cube plus R. That is first remainder is what here? 0. That is 6 cube plus 0. Next is 1. 6 cube plus 1. Next one is 6 cube plus 2. Next is 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 4 and 6 cube plus 5. But here our condition is what? Let A be an odd positive integer. We have to take only odd positive integers. That is A must be what? 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5 only. That is A cannot be 6 cube and 6 cube plus 2 and 6 cube plus 4. Therefore A is what? 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Take a screenshot if you want. Here next one is show that one and only one out of n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is any positive integer. That is, this one we have to prove by using Euclid division lemma. Let n is any positive integer and we have to apply what? Division lemma. Apply Euclid division lemma. That is A equals to B cube plus R, where 0 is less than or equals to R is less than b. That is, here a value is what we have to apply Euclid division lemma with a value is n and b value is what we have to divisible with 3. That is, b value is 3. That is, here in a place value is what? N. N equals to, and bq, that is we have to divisible with 3. That is n equals to 3q plus r, where 0 is less than or equals to r is less than b value is what? 3. That is, the values of r is what? 0, 1 and 2, because r is in between including 0 and less than 3. That is 0, 1 and 2. That is if r equals to 0. In first case, r equals to 0. If r equals to 0, what will happen here? N equals to what? 3q plus 0. That is, it is equals to 3q. This 3q is what? It is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. Okay. What about next one here? First is n and the second one is what? N plus 2. Okay. N plus 2. What is n here? N equals to 3q. 3q plus, here we are having what? 2. 3q plus 2. It is what? It is not divisible by 3. This is n plus 4. We have to check it out. N plus 4 equals to, n value is 3q. And this is what? 3q plus 4. That is, this is also not divisible by 3. That is, these two are not divisible by 3. That is, in case 1, if r equals to 0, out of n plus 2 and n plus 4, only this case n is divisible by 3. This n plus 2 and n plus 4 are not divisible by 3. And coming to the second one, that is r equals to 0 completed. Next case is r equals to 1. Case 2 is r equals to 1. If r equals to 1, what is n? N equals to 3q plus r. That is 3q plus, in this r place value is what? 3q plus 1. This is not divisible by 3. This is not divisible by 3. Okay, coming to the next one. N is completed. Next what? N plus 2. N plus 2 equals to, what is n value here? 3q plus 1. This is 3q plus 1 and here we are having what? Plus 2. That is 3q plus 3. That is, in these two, 3 take 3 as common. Now it is 3 into q plus 1. That is, it is divisible by what? 3. It is divisible by 3. Okay. Next one is what? N plus 4. N plus 4. That is, n equals to what? 3q plus 1. And here we are having what? Plus 4. That is, only in this n place value is 3q plus 1. And here the remaining is what? Plus 4. That is 3q plus 5. That is, it is also what? Not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. That is, in case 2, only here r equals to 1, this n plus 2 is divisible by 3. Here n and n plus 4 are not divisible by 3. Okay, coming to the third one. That is what here, the remainder is what? One more remainder, 2n. That is Next coming to the case 3. What is case 3 here? Here now we completed, r values are 0 and 1 completed, now 2. R equals to 2. If r equals to 2 here, n equals to what? N equals to 3q plus r. That is r value is 2. 3q plus 2. This is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. Next one is what? N plus 2. N value is 3q plus 2. And again here we are having what? Plus 2. That is 3q plus 4. This is also not divisible by 3. This is also not divisible by 3. And next one is what? N plus 4. What is n value here? 3q plus 2. And here we are having what? Plus 4. That is, it is equals to what? 3q plus 6. Take 3 as common here, into q plus 2. That is 3 2 just 6. That is, it is divisible by what? 3. It is divisible by 3. Okay, here one see. In case 1, if r equals to 0, which one is divisible by 3? Only n is divisible by 3. And case 2, that is if r equals to 1, which one is divisible by 3? Only n plus 2 is divisible by 3. And coming to the case 3, if r equals to 2, which one is divisible by 3? N plus 4 is divisible by 3. That is, here out of n plus 2 and n plus 4, only 1 is divisible by 3. Take a screenshot if you want. Take this as homework. Check the answers in the comment box.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.